Welcome to Playful Learning with me, Miss Anna. Hi everyone, how are you today? I hope you all doing good. Okay, now we are going to continue to learn about the phonics sound of group 7. Okay, and this time we have this sound. Oi, oi, oi. Alright, now let's say the sound along with the action. And the action is like cup your hands around your mouth like this and pretend to shout at a passing boat. Okay, and say oi, oi, oi. Okay, can we do it together, please? Oi, oi, oi. Good job. Now, let's say the words that have the oi sound. Okay, repeat after me. Soil, boil, oil, coin, point, coil, oink. Okay, let's do it one more time. Okay, soil, boil, oil, coin, point, coil, oink. Yay! Good job everyone. And it's activity time. Identify the names of these pictures. Are you ready? Great! Let's get started. Okay, the first we have this. What picture is this? You're right. It's soil. Next, what about this? Very good. It's a wheel. What about this picture? Good job. It's a coin. How about this picture? Very good. It's a coil. Now the last one. What about this? Excellent. It's boil. Yay! Very good, everyone. Alright, now it's time for riddle. Enjoy!
It's time for riddle. Hi friends, it's me, PL. Are you ready to play? This is the thing that we have on the ground. And we can use it to plant something. What it could be? Yes, you're right, friends. It's the soul wheel. Yay, you did it. Good job, friends. Alright, friends. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.
Great, everybody. Now let's have a review about our phonics sound for today. And what is the sound? Good job. Oi, oi, oi. Okay, everybody, you did great today. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next video. Okay, bye-bye.